By Steph Willems on March 27, 2018, the United States and South Korea reached a free trade agreement on Monday that spared the Asian country from punitive steel tariffs, assuming Seoul keeps an eye on just how much steel it sends to American buyers. A quota on Korean steel exports means the country can only sell 70% of its recent average, 2015 to 2017, to the U.S., though it is hardly Korea's largest export market. The deal, reached, in principle, ahead of both countries' meetings with North Korean leader Kim Jong-un, will also see South Korea raise the limit for U.S.-made vehicles that needn't conform to local safety standards from 25,000 to 50,000. It's good news for the Trump administration, but not everyone's thrilled. Hyundai's union is hopping mad that a steep tariff on Korean-built pickups, which was set to expire in 2021 under the previous agreement, was just renewed for another 20 years, calling it humiliating. The labor group said it had placed its future hopes on hitting it big in the U.S. pickup market. Now, workers in the country find themselves shut out of what their union calls the future bread and butter of the South Korean auto industry. The 25% chicken tax on light trucks shipped from Korea will continue until 2041. The union has called for domestic production of pickup trucks for the past several years, the union said in a statement. Nothing's stopping Hyundai from building a pickup on U.S. soil, but it won't help the automaker's embattled, and quite militant, labor force. Already, falling worldwide sales has both workers and union brass on edge, even as the company hastily adopts a crossover-heavy product strategy. Strikes over wages have become commonplace. From their vantage point across the Pacific, it wouldn't be hard to see U.S.-bound pickup trucks as a one-way ticket to wealth and prosperity. Obviously, those Yanks can't get enough of them. From this side of the ocean, however, we're wondering when Hyundai will finally show us a product it intends to sell. The unibody Santa Cruz sport truck appeared in Detroit over 3 years ago, and we've since grown tired of Hyundai's repeated promises that the model will indeed reach production. Former Hyundai Motor America CEO confirmed the Santa Cruz's green lighting in mid-2016 but said the company wasn't ready to announce it just yet. A year later, Michael J. O'Brien, vice president of corporate and product planning for HMA, again confirmed the model's future production. As of early 2018, the model remains on Hyundai's to-do list, but doesn't carry a firm arrival date. Going on the company's most recent product plan, the earliest we would see it is in 2020. Already, the company's Alabama facilities built the Sonata, Elantra, and Santa Fe, but word broke late last year that Hyundai is considering Kona, Tucson, and pickup production in the U.S. As for those Korean workers, they might still get a chance to build a pickup truck for a foreign country, just not the United States. Hyundai Australia is apparently quite interested in a truck, and a brawnier one than the Santa Cruz. Sources: Reuters, Bloomberg, Images, Hyundai, related.